Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing a newer subscription on our channel. This is the LookFantastic. Now, I used to do this maybe about 2 years ago. I used to get this box and I stopped getting it. I don't remember the reason why. These are only $19 a month and it comes from across the pond from the UK. It's kind of like a glossy box. Glossy box is a little bit more expensive, but it's something like that. You do get 6 items, could be samples, could be full-size items, and the value is supposed to be at least $80 in each box. Now, the reason why they sent me 2, these are both the August box, but they had variation 1 and 2, so they sent me both for you guys to see, and I believe I have a code. If I do, I will leave it down below. So, if you want to see what is inside of here, you guys can see I didn't even open it up yet. And see my thoughts. Did it improve from 2 years ago? Then just keep on watching. Alright, before I get started, my hand is so red. And can you see like this little scratch here? I had done my Beauty Bakery mystery box, which I will put that down below. You want to check that out. Anyway, there was a lipstick on there and I had to scrub and scrub. I used a makeup wipe to get that thing off. That didn't want to come off for nothing. So if you see it's a little red, that is the reason why. I was so upset about that box. I had to go eat some pizza. Now we're filming. Anyway, I'm going to open them. I can't find my knife, so I will be right back. Let me cut these open to save some time. These look totally different. I forget what color they used to be, but I would remember if it was this bright orange. Like these boxes have really, I think they were used to be like a green color, like a mint green if I can recall. But the camera's not doing justice. It's so beautiful. It's like an orangey red and they're very good made. Like I'm really impressed. Okay, so like I said, both of these are for the August 2020, but there were both 2 variations. So let's open it up and I'll see which is which if it tells me. All right, so you get a little booklet, and this is a lot different like from before. I mean, it really tells you. Let me see what this is exactly. Okay, so it's just a little pamphlet which tells you, you know, things in here and you can read it and all that kind of stuff. It's really nice. Then it comes like this. This is like a pinkish color. So this is pink and like an orangey red. And look at the lid. So the lid says, do more of what makes your soul radiate. Hashtag LF Beauty Box. Look fantastic. All right, so that's what she looks like. That's enough. A little sneak peek. Alright, so I'm noticing that each product has something in here and tells you a little bit about each thing. So that's good. Alright, so the first thing is this from Bella Pierre. And this looks like it's full size. And it's a mineral blush in the shade Amaretto. Let's see. Yeah, so it has a safety seal. I'm not going to open it up because I know I won't use this too much. And I already have a giveaway going on. It's a $500 makeup / beauty giveaway. I will leave that down below. But I also have another giveaway that's going to come up. And I'll put this in there. Maybe one of you guys will use it. I don't want it to go to waste. The next thing we got is this Percy Red Hair. What is it? Wonder Bomb. It says, I believe in miracles. So this is a sample size. Alright, so this says it's worth $8, but it is in UK prices, so I'm not sure what it would be like US. It says this is a miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. The Percy and Reed Balm makes your hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine, and definition. Alright, so I'm definitely excited to get that, especially on my ends because they're very dry. Then we have from Ahava. I love Ahava, and we get these in our ipsy, so I have tried this before. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, and I really like this, so that's good. It's another sample, which is okay. I mean, the box is only $19. This works best if when you get out of the shower or bath while your skin is still a little damp, is when it works best. But let me show you. I don't remember if it has a scent. Let me see. Oh, it smells good. All right, so it's just, you know, like a lotion. I really like it, so that's good. The next thing is from Mio. This is a body wash. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm definitely excited to try it. You know, it's body wash. And it just says how to use. Lather onto your skin in the shower and feel rejuvenated for the day ahead. I wonder who comes up with these little things on there, like to be so creative, you know? All right, so there's two more things. So this is from Caudalie, and I do know, if I'm saying that right, Caudalie, I do know this brand is expensive. Well, so what is this? It just says a serum. Complexion correcting, right? And it's a radiant, so let's see. All right, so it says how to use. Apply before bed onto cleansed skin, massaging onto your face and neck. All right, and I love any kind of serums and stuff like that. And last but not least is a sample size of this Ico lash mascara. And I always say this, I don't mind getting mascara. Now this is not, I'm not too like fond of this mascara. It's not bad, but it's not something like I would reach to if I had a choice to pick from. But I'm definitely glad to get this. Now you could have got two variations. The Lash Alert, which is the one I got in blue, and the Black Magic. Now, they don't have prices on anything on here, so I can't give you prices. And there you go. So that's what it looks like. All right, so let's recap. I don't know if this is a B for like beauty or is this the variation B. I'll find out when we open the other box. But I can tell you so far, I mean, they really stepped up their game from 2 years ago. All right, so let's recap what we got in this box. So we have a mascara. We have a balm for your hair. We got a body wash. We have, I really like this. This is the from the Dead Sea. This is the mineral body lotion. We have a serum, and it's pretty actually filled up. So like let me just do a little swatchy swatch and see what it feels like. Because sometimes, yeah, this is more like a cream serum. You guys can see. Oh, but it feels good. So I would put this on first and then go in with your lotion. All right, and then we got this Bella Pierre. Bella Pierre is very expensive. We got this blush, and this is full size. So that's what we got, and I'm definitely going to keep these boxes. I mean, they're really, really nice. All right, so here is the next one. So there's a B on here, too, so I'm surmising then it probably stands for, like, the beauty box. And then we have our little pamphlet here, which again says what's in the box, which I love that. So you have another little sticker here. All right, and here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. All right, so let's just see what's in here. All right, the first thing is from Avant. This is a night cream, and it has hyaluronic acid. So this is like a very tiny, like it's smaller than my pointer finger sample, but I'm sure it's enough to try. How to use, it says massage a small amount over the face and neck in circular motions after cleansing and before you go to sleep. So in the other box you got the serum, then you can go in with the lotion. All right, so this is the Ahava. So this is the other one you could have got, the mineral hand cream. Alrighty. So then you got again the serum you would get. You have the body wash. You have by Ren, this is day cream. Oh, so that's good. You got a day cream and then you got a night cream. And then you have volumizing mousse. So in the other box you have the oil, and here you have the mousse. And that is everything in there. So let's recap really quick what we got in this box. So we have a mousse. I haven't used mousse in such a long time in my hair. Then we have the day cream. And we have this mineral hand cream. I love this type of stuff to like throw in my pocketbook. We have another body wash. We have a night cream. And we have a serum. In my opinion, I definitely think it's worth $19. I believe the shipping is free. So, I mean, you can't beat that. And then the longer that you get it, so like if you get like a 3-month subscription, it's $18 and stuff like that. It does get cheaper the more like, you know, how long that you purchase it for. But I definitely think it's worth $19. This is more like skincare heavy because I don't think the other box had one blush, but this one doesn't have any blushes. So it's kind of like the glossy box, but this is like a cheaper version. And I love the fact that it comes from the UK because you get to try like brands from that are popular in the UK, and I love that. But let me know what you guys think. Do you get LookFantastic? What do you, if you don't, what do you think of these? Have you ever heard of LookFantastic? Let me know. If I can find some of my older videos of me unboxing these, I will link it down below. I cannot watch them because I cringe when I watch my old videos. Also, I'm thinking about doing a video. Let me know if you would enjoy seeing that, and it's called Roasting My First YouTube Video. I haven't watched my very first video in probably over 2 years. I like cringe. So what would you guys think of that if I did that? Would that be a video that you guys would like to see, my reaction to my very first YouTube video? That was a hot mess. I have some stories to tell you about that. All right, yeah, let me know down below. And that is everything, guys. So yeah, like I said, let me know what you think of this subscription. Do you want to see me continue to unbox this? Let me know. Alright guys, if you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, anything makeup and beauty, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Please give this video a like. It really helps me out, and it only takes a second for you to do. It helps YouTube like put me in the analytics. And make sure that you put your post notification bells on and double tap it and make sure you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my other giveaway I have coming up. You do not want to miss that one. And like I said, guys, that's everything. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.